Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show in the task option in taskbar context menu of Windows 10. Once you will enable in the task option, just right click on the application that are unresponsive and you will find here in the task option to close that app. To enable this feature, click on this one, right click on this one start button, select here settings. Then select System in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and find For Developers option. Then here you will find in the task option to enable this feature, turn on this one toggle switch, and to disable this feature, just turn off this one toggle switch. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.